Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to dive deep into the exciting world of Metaverse technology. We'll explore the potential of this new technology and the possibilities it holds for the future. So sit tight and let's get started. What is Metaverse technology? Metaverse technology refers to a virtual world that is created by a combination of virtual and augmented reality technologies. It allows users to immerse themselves in a completely new digital environment and interact with it in a way that is not possible with traditional technology. In the metaverse, users can interact with each other, explore new places, and participate in a wide variety of activities. What are the benefits of metaverse technology? Metaverse technology has a wide range of benefits. For one, it can be used to create completely immersive gaming experiences. Players can explore virtual worlds, complete quests, and interact with other players in a way that feels real. This technology can also be used for education, allowing students to explore new concepts in a more engaging and interactive way. Another benefit of metaverse technology is that it can be used to create new forms of social interaction. Users can create avatars that represent them in the virtual world and interact with other users in a way that is not technology work. Metaverse technology is made up of several different components. The first is the virtual environment itself, which is created using computer graphics and other technologies. This environment can be accessed using a variety of devices,